Or yo, if you guys click this video for a free PS5, you're in luck, because I'm gonna be giving out two PS5s, one with Cold War and one with Spider-Man. So I only managed to get two PS5s because they're all out of stock, and plus I don't have enough money. So for now, I'm gonna be giving out two PS5s. So if you guys want to enter this PS5 giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe with the notification bell, comment below your Instagram or Twitter, so when I pick the winner I can DM you and ship it to you. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe with the notification bell and drop a like on this video. Those two things, that's all you need to do. Subscribe and drop a like on this video, and then comment your Instagram and Twitter, so if you win I can DM you and ship the PS5 to you. I'll be announcing the winners very soon, so hurry and do those steps. Subscribe and drop a like on this video, and comment your Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat or whatever you have, and I'll DM you if you win. And yeah, thanks guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for your time. Peace out.